What's up, my Balm and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. How y'all doing? How y'all been? Girl, I'm doing great as usual. Well, not really, but I'm doing good today. How y'all doing? Welcome to our channel. I am your girl, TonyaNicole, and I'm so happy that you clicked that button to watch your girl this morning. Y'all, it's hot. I got a fan. Boo, y'all already know. So today, my loves, we will be unboxing the BoxyCharm premium box for February. Yes, so if that's something that you guys are interested in seeing, y'all know what to do. You stay right there. You don't move until the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we have the premium box from BoxyCharm. I filmed my base box on Monday. So you guys, please make sure that you check it out if you have not done so already. And if you've done so already, check it out again. And then watch this one again too. Today we got the premium. I'm hoping that it's better than my base box because I was just like, oh, I don't even know, girl, about this base box. I don't know about BoxyCharm no more, y'all. I really don't. So before we go any further, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. Your names will be in the description and pinned in the comments. Thank you guys. So yes, let's just get the specs and get this baby unboxed because I don't want to keep y'all too long. So this is the premium and this one is $35 a month. You're gonna get 6 full-size products in here. The value I will put down here. Oh, just in case you guys do not know, I have a link down below if you want to sign up for BoxyCharm. So without further ado, let's get this box on and popping. Boo. So let's cut this baby open. Right, we open her up and look what we got here, the blue inside. This is a premium box, guys, and I don't even want to lift the foam because I don't really want to know. But do I want to give you guys a peek? Nope. Like my girl Ann say, not too much. I love just Ann. Okay, let's go. So we do get a card with our box, and on the back, we have a list of all of the products as well as the prices. So we will be putting that on the screen. I will let you guys know my variation towards the end of the video. So I'm gonna just pull. I'm not even gonna lift the foam. I'm gonna just pull. Let's see. Okay, so first product up is from KVD Vegan Beauty. This used to be Kat Von D. This is the Epic Curl Lash Primer right here. And this is in the shade, I don't know, I think it might be black. All right, so this is a primer for your lashes before you put your mascara on, just to, you know, get your lashes nice and ready. Hopefully to add a little volume and such. So this is the Epic Curl Vegan Lash Primer. This is an ultimate lash curler in a tube, giving you a legendary lift and curl powered by bamboo powder. This innovative vegan formula delivers similar curl, lift, and hold as an eyelash curler with no damage and no tools. This right here, baby, is $24. And let's see. Oh, okay. So it's not white. That's the wand right there. I should have wiped that off my hand, huh? Girl, I'm so lazy, I know. Let me see. Oh, so it's like a grayish color, if y'all can see that. Okay, cool. I mean, my lashes are part of the Itty Bitty Lash Committee, so I'll definitely get some use out of this, and I hope that it gives them like a nice voluminous look for my mascara. On to the next one. I got 100. Okay, whatever. All right, next product is this Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm right there. Alrighty, so I did see this as, I think, a spoiler for last month, and I was hoping I didn't get it last month, and I'm kind of disappointed to see it this month. So this is, in cold weather, massage the tube between your fingers to soften the balm. This will make it easier to flow from the nozzle. In here you get how much? Let's see. It does not say. It don't say. All right, but this is what it looks like, my loves. Okay, so this is bee friendly, 15 milliliters of product, right? Yes. So let's open it. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit on the back of my hand. And it's this white sort of consistency. It does feel nice. Let's see what this retails for. Oh, it smells like I don't get sweet orange and coconut. I get mint. I don't know. Let's see what this one retails for. This one right here is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Girl, this is $33. Never. I would never. Girl, okay. And I know some of you guys will probably think that this is amazing, which I'm sure it is, but I am not paying $33. That's just my own personal preference, you know. I'm a cheapskate, sorry. That's why I love the whole subscription box thing, because guess what, boo? I'm just paying $35 and they're giving me all of this. I'm being a little extra today, I know. All right, so next up we have from Love Script, and this is a Lauren Francis product. Oh, Lord. I won't even pronounce it, but I think it's this area here. So this is this area here in a neck cream. It's a rich probiotic leave-on mask. There we go, right there. That's what it's looking like. It is an anti-aging mask, and y'all know that we don't like that turkey neck, so I love like a mask for my neck. It says this luscious, hydrating, and restorative treatment mask is designed to rejuvenate and refresh the delicate skin of your jawline, your neck, and your this. Okay. Use a liberal amount in a sweeping upward strokes at bedtime. You get 4 ounces of product in here. I don't think I've heard of this company before, so let me know down in the comments if you have. This is what it looks like, a nice jar right there. It says, your body is your temple. Please cherish it. Got Love Script right there on the little cap. Oh, okay. And it looks like it's just like a white cream. So, all right. I'm usually not too excited for, products like this. But y'all know I love, preaching about we don't want that turkey neck. So I'm happy to see this in the box. This is a different product. So I'm actually excited about this. Let me see that price first. And this one right here is, girl, $58. And this is a new launched product. $58. Okay. All righty. Let's dig again. Okay. All right. So next up we have from Tarte. And this is the Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Okay. Now, this is the Double Duty Beauty mascara. I mean, it's in black. I don't understand. And I know that this is a primer. So they gave me a mascara, which, makes sense. But I don't want this as one of my products. I wish they would have given me like a combo primer and mascara together, like the duo, instead of okay. I'm not really too happy about this. I mean, all right, let's just see what it looks like, right? Let's try to be positive. Yeah. All right, this is what it looks like, my loves. I am not going to open this package because I have like 50,000 mascaras that I already opened. So I will use it. This is what the wand looks like, just in case you guys were wondering. And it's supposed to make your eyes look like that. I seriously doubt it. And this right here retails for $23. Now, I need to know if BoxyCharm, look in the boxes before they ship them and say, okay, yeah, let's send her 2, Lash products. I don't know. Alrighty. Next up is, I think this is my choice item, and this is the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder. There we go, right there, guys. That's what it is looking like. And this is in the shade Highlight 01. All right, let's see. So I did pick this, and this is what the packaging looks like. I love it. Let's open it. Okay, this looks kind of dirty. All right. Oh, girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. put this box over it. This is the shade right there, my loves. What do y'all think? Like, I think it's okay. I hope that it won't, like, let me swatch it with this hand. I hope that it won't make me look ashy. There we go right there. That's the shade, girl. This gonna make me probably look, I don't know. Ooh, that is very, very, very light. And this is a highlighter? I mean, oh. What y'all think? I mean, it doesn't look bad. It just kind of got like a ashy type, I don't know. I'll try it and get some use out of it. I mean, I like the color, I guess. Yeah, that's it right there, I guess. I don't know. I'll have to try this out and see. And this right here, guys, retails for $44. And this is an ultra smooth baked face powder that provides a natural color with a soft matte radiance. Okay, well, that makes sense now. It doesn't look too bad. Let me put a little bit on the other side while we're at it. Ooh, that's a lot, girl. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, all right. I'm glad about this. I did choose it, so I will use it. And if not, I'll give it to my sissy poo. All right, love. So we have one more product, and it is from Huda Beauty, and it is the Pastel Lilac palette right here. And I don't even know if this was, I don't remember, girl, I'm telling y'all, I don't remember the spoilers at all for these boxes. Like, I really don't. Okay, so let's see. That's what it's looking like right there. Beautiful packaging. I do love Huda Beauty. I really do. Let's open her up. But I've never seen it in like this plastic container before. Ooh, girl, we got another mirror. Hey, girl. All right, let's see. Let me put something over it so you guys can see. This is the palette. It is absolutely gorgeous, though. I really love, especially this little marbled color right there. I really, really, really like that. I think it's beautiful. It is like a perfect lilac palette, right? All of the colors actually fit in this palette. This shade right here, girl, is gorgeous. Like, okay. I don't know if I want to swatch this one or not because I don't know how much use I'll get out of it. Ooh, I don't know. We're not going to swatch it. I may keep it for a future giveaway. So let me see how much this little daddy retails for. And this one is $29. Wow. Okay, loves. So that was my final product in this month's premium box. Let's quickly recap. We're going to do final thoughts and we're going to be done. So we received, I put it in backwards though, this Huda Beauty Lilac palette from Love Script, this neck cream, from Laura Mercier, this highlight powder, from Bali Balm, this lip balm, from KVD Beauty, this lash primer, and from Tarte, the Man Eater mascara. So these 6 products for the month. Final thoughts. My final thoughts on this box is, I think for the most part, I like my products. So we got, if you want to consider the primer a makeup item, we got 5 makeup items. We have 4 makeup items out of 6. I'm going to use all 4 of these with the exception of this palette. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but it's an option to use, and I probably, would use it. So these 4 I definitely will use. I definitely will use this neck cream. This right here, even though I will use it, I don't want to see this in my box. I think this is kind of like a filler type product. Same thing as this. I think these 2 are like filler products. But overall, I thought that it was an okay box. I'm going to tell you guys, BoxyCharm for their premium box, they're going to have to step it up. Because Ipsy right now is kind of low-key killing it. And BoxyCharm, since they bought y'all out, I don't know if y'all not talking or what, but y'all going to have to step it. Y'all going to have to step it up. Do maybe some more collab boxes or something. Because, boo, y'all not really hitting on too much. Like, this is not really a mind-blowing box. I am very excited, however, to see Laura Mercier in the box, and Tarte, and Huda Beauty. Those are like some classic favorites, so I'm happy for that. I'm really happy about this neck cream, but all in all, I need BoxyCharm to get it together because my base box just wasn't, I don't know. But if I had to rate this one on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, BoxyCharm, throw it in the damn burner. To be in this box is a Balm.com, boo. You know what I'm saying. I'm going to give the premium box for the month of February a whopping maybe 3. I just really don't like the fact that I got 2 Lash products and this lip balm that's overpriced. But other than that, I'll get use out of all of the products and I am okay with it. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, what you thought of my box. Let me know what you got in your box. I will add up the total and put it somewhere right there. My variation number is C212363-PM. I'll put that down there so you guys can see. So, yes, let me know if y'all know anything about these long, variation numbers too. So that's all that I have, my loves. Until next time, the next video, you guys, oh, how could I forget? Make sure if you haven't done so already, subscribe to your girl, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much, y'all. Thank you so much. Also, that's all I got now, for real. All right, y'all. Bye.